When the hole is drilled on the side and not in the center, it makes it more difficult to make a ring, but here's a way that you can do this. Use your ring sizer and wrap bit of wire on one side and around the other so that's tight, and then now holding it down to the ring sizer, wrap around the ring sizer like this, and then go under the stone and wrap around in the other direction 3 times like this, making sure that it is tight and the wires are next to each other. And after your third wrap, bring it over the stone and over the ring sizer, pulling it very tightly like this, and then holding it down, wrap from the other side, and then go under. Repeat this pattern until you are done with all the strands and it's even along the stone. And then tuck in the wire around one of the wires and wrap around the stone to give it an unusual base like this. Make it tight, and then using sides of a pair of pliers, straighten out and push down like this. And when you're happy with that, trim it and then curl and tuck in the end wire into that. Make sure that's not sharp. And then with the base, put it back, make sure that's what you want, and then bring the other wire to the back middle and wrap around that and press down with your pair of pliers like this. And continue that each time, making sure that it is the same height of the wraps, and press down until it's flat like this. And when you are happy with that, trim and do the same of tucking in the wire into the band of wires and press down to make sure that there are no sharp edges and that the bars are flat, and that's the end result. You might have to adjust the wires a little bit to make it aesthetically even.